for writing the non-terminating recurring decimal form in the form P by Q, the algorithm is not given, and in the previous lecture I said that I will not give you the algorithm, but later I thought that it would be convenient for all of you to solve all the examples, hence I have written the algorithm and now I am going to explain it. Whatever number you are given, consider that number as x, okay, and in the number you have to adjust the decimal point just before the recurring part, for which you may have to multiply it either by 10 or by 100 or by 1000. That depends on the position where you want to adjust the decimal point. Okay, decimal point must be adjusted before the recurring part. Before the recurring part. Okay, that is the second step. Third step is that find out how many digits are repeating. Sometimes only one digit is repeating. Sometimes two digits, a group of two digits are repeating. For example, 27, 27, 27, 27. Okay. So if two digits are recurring, then multiply it by 100. If three digits are recurring, multiply it by 1000. That means number of zeros over 1 depends on how many digits are recurring. So multiply by that number. Then get the value of x by doing simple calculations. So let me explain the algorithm using one example. Okay. Express the number 0.555555 recurring in the form of P by Q. So the step number one, first step is consider the number is equal to x. Correct? Second step is adjust the decimal point just before the recurring part. Now here the decimal point is already there before the before the recurring part. So there is no need to multiply the number by either 10, by 100 or 1000, because the decimal point is already there in front of the recurring part. The next example I will give, where you will find that the decimal point will be away from the recurring part. Okay. Now, so second step is not necessary. Third step is find out how many digits are repeating. Only one digit is repeating. 5, 5, 5. So 5 is only repeating. So what will you do? Since only one digit is repeating, you will write 10 over 1, that is 10, and multiply both sides by 10. So that is what I have done. So multiplying left hand side by 10, I get 10x. If I multiply the right hand side by 10, the decimal point will shift one place to the right side and we get 5.55555. Okay. Now, third step is over. These are the three important steps. The rest of the things are absolutely mechanical. What will I do? From this equation, I will subtract this equation. So 10x minus x, I have written here. So on the right hand side, it will be 5.555 minus 0.555. So if you do actual subtraction, this part is same. So when you subtract, it will be deducted 0. So what will be left? Only 5. Only 5 will be left. And on the left hand side, 10x minus x will give you 9x. So 9x is equal to 5. So x will be 5 by 9. That means this number is actually equal to 5 by 9. That is what I have written. 0.55555 recurring is equal to 5 by 9. Okay. Let me explain one more example, two more examples, rather three more examples to make the process very, very transparent.